China Shaanxi Hanzhong Dakin Cable Car Co., Ltd., was founded in October 2007 with a registered capital of $15 million. It covers a total area of more than 30,000 square meters, has a cumulative asset scale of hundreds of millions of US dollars. The company is equipped with more than 200 sets of production, testing, and inspection equipment. It has significant advantages in the fields of precision manufacturing and large-scale part processing. It has been highly praised by a large number of users for its high efficiency, high precision, and high quality. And it has a professional team of more than 300 people. The company's core business covers the research and design of passenger ropeways, production and manufacturing, installation and commissioning, operation and management. We have independently developed over 20 patents with advanced intelligent production workshop. Our cableway products can meet most domestic and foreign tourist attractions. Rooted in Hanzhong, radiating across the whole country and facing the world, Dakin Cable Car is driving development with innovation. Build the brand with quality. Let Made in China shine across the world.